This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks in SolidWorks step by step. First, understand that blocks are powerful tools for organizing your sketches. They allow you to group multiple sketch entities, like lines, arcs, and splines, into a single manageable unit. This significantly simplifies complex designs and makes your workflow much more efficient. We'll cover creating new blocks, editing existing ones, and inserting them into your drawings. To create a block, simply select the sketch entities you wish to group, then click the Make Block icon in the Sketch toolbar. SolidWorks will then treat these entities as a single item. Editing a block is just as straightforward. Right-click on the block and choose Edit Block. Any modifications you make inside the block editor will automatically propagate to every instance of that block throughout your design, saving you considerable time. Once you've created blocks, you can easily insert them into new sketches or existing ones. Access your saved blocks through the design library or simply drag and drop them from the Feature Manager design tree. You have full control to scale and rotate blocks precisely during insertion or at any point afterward. If you ever need to break a block back into its original components, the Explode Block command will revert it to individual sketch entities. Beyond basic usage, SolidWorks blocks offer advanced capabilities. You can link blocks to external files, allowing multiple designers to work on shared components and ensuring consistency across projects. Blocks are also incredibly useful in assemblies for creating layout sketches, which can drive the positions and movements of components in motion studies. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. This helps support the channel and keeps new content coming your way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.